Over the years, it's been our mission to help make better performing detergents. Our commitment to evolving chemicals that improve people's lives has kept us coming back to the same question. How can we make washing cleaner? At Thipsa Quimica, we found the answer with Next LAB, the first lineal alkyl benzene from renewable and circular raw materials, to help formulators create more sustainable detergents without sacrificing performance. Next LAB has the same properties as traditional LAB while minimizing carbon footprint. LAB is the raw material of LAS, the surfactant most used in household detergents. With Next LAB, we don't just keep our clothes, our dishes, and our homes clean. The planet we live on gets a little cleaner as well. Strong on dirt and gentle on the things that matter. Washing is cleaner with Next LAB.